Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I like to keep everybody up to date with the new Humble Bundles, all the deals and all the best stuff you can find for game dev. So today I've got the Game Dev royalty-free Mega Music Bundle collection, and this is a collection worth well over $1,000 in value, with 50 different music packs, all royalty-free, so you could use these in games, YouTube videos, anything that you want. These range from fantasy RPGs, sci-fi systems, horror tracks, and loads of stuff. I'll show you them all today, and be sure to check out all the other bundles that I've shown recently, and I'll put them all down in the description. Unity Summer Sale, where you can still get everything up until the 31st of August, with 50% off across the Unity Asset Store. And do be sure to check out my Patreon too, to get over 200 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. So you can always check the Humble Bundle page, and I'll leave the link down below, and you can see the other bundles that are on here. So the Solo Indie, the Unity Fantasy Bundle, and this current one today, which is the Mega Music Bundle. So you can see here that it's got tracks for loads of different stuff. You can see the value, even though this is in pounds. It does come in 3 different bundles, a 12, a 28, and an entire 50 bundle, all the way up to around $18 to $20 for everything. And that is the actual minimum that you can pay. You can obviously pay more if you want to give to charity. Just a caveat to mention that when I've downloaded some of these, they are corrupted, and I have sent an email to support, and they said they are actually fixing these packages. You can still download about half of them and be able to use them. People did mention before about the quality of the sound on previous packs that I've shown, but this one did seem to have the bitrate between 140 to over 300, something along those lines, so they seem a lot higher quality. And I'll just go through these quickly. We've got the Epic Pirate, we've got the Ambience Action Music Pack, Dark Music, Pandemic, Night Worship, Lunacy, Paranormal, Shadows Guild, Spectre at the Lake, The Starfield, Epic Adventures, Music for RPG, RPG Piano, Action and Sci-Fi. We've got Combat Music, RPG Music Volume 2. Some of these packs are actually gigabytes and gigabytes worth of audio. The Ultimate Ambience, Shadows Guild, Pixel sound effects, a lot of different horror, epic battles, more dungeon sound effects, a lot of different action and combat, more ones for witches, superheroes, zombie apocalypse, hellscapes, and loads of packages in there. And if you want to check them out, you can click on each of these, and it does come with a preview. As an example, so as you can see on any of the assets, you can get linked when you click on them to the actual studio or wherever they are. A lot of them are TRM free, so you're allowed to use them and use them in all your work that you might want to. And do remember, when you're scrolling down this asset page, you can see that it shows what is in each pack, what the different formats of each of the packs are, and how many there is. So you can see 9, 11, 9 all across WAV, MP3 and loops in these cases, because some of them are by Dark Fantasy Studio, and there is others by Fat Frog Studio where you can click their links to see what's in there. But you can see that they do include information on each of the descriptions. But I think it's really good value for money, and it could be great for all sort of multimedia choices. And I'll just give you a little preview of some of the sound effects so you can listen to them here. And do be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 200 different scripts, assets, and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Check out all the rest of the sales, bundles, and everything that you can save for this month, and I'll put all the links down below so you don't miss out on a thing. And do let me know what you think of this bundle, because I think as long as they fix the little issue with the archives, it's going to be epic. Big thank you to all my patrons, including Peter Steiner, Mike Cullen, Thanchu, and Isidora Negri for their amazing support, and thank you so much to everybody else for coming to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers!